Today, we are comparing two all-terrain heavyweights, the Bridgestone Dueler AT Revo 3 and the Falken Wildpeak AT3W. Both have earned their reputation, but which one is a better choice for your truck or SUV? Let's break it down. While direct comparison tests are not available, we are turning to Consumer Reports' independent ratings for an objective assessment, with scores ranging from 1 to 5, where 5 is the highest. On dry pavement, braking performance is a key factor. The Dueler AT Revo 3 stops shorter, earning a solid 4 out of 5 in dry braking, while the Wildpeak AT3W scores slightly lower at 3 out of 5. Both tyres handle well, but the Dueler offers a slight advantage in grip and stopping power. In wet conditions, the Wildpeak AT3W performs better in braking with a score 3 out of 5, while the Dueler AT Revo 3 falls behind at 2 out of 5. However, when it comes to wet handling and hydroplaning resistance, both tyres deliver strong results, scoring 4 out of 5. The Wildpeak holds the advantage in wet braking, but overall control remains similar between the two. Snow traction is where things get interesting. Despite not carrying the Three Peak Mountain Snowflake certification, the Dueler AT Revo 3 outperforms expectation with a 4 out of 5 rating. Meanwhile, the Wildpeak AT3W, which does carry the Three Peak Mountain Snowflake symbol, surprisingly scores only 3 out of 5. The Dueler grips well even though without an official winter rating, making it a solid choice for light snow use. Durability plays a big role in choosing an all-terrain tyre, and real-world tests given the Dueler AT Revo 3 an estimated lifespan of 55,000 miles, while the Wildpeak AT3W follow closely behind at 50,000 miles. While both tyres fall short of the Michelin LTX 82's impressive 100,000 mile benchmark, they still offer a respectable tread life for all-terrain use. Ride comfort is a key factor, and both tyres perform similarly with a rating of 3 out of 5. However, noise level tells a different story. The Dueler AT Revo 3 runs quieter with a 4 out of 5 score, while the Wildpeak AT3W with its more aggressive tread design is slightly louder at 3 out of 5. If a quiet ride matters, the Dueler has the advantage. Price can be a deciding factor, and the Wildpeak AT3W stands out by being 28% more affordable than the Dueler AT Revo 3. While the Dueler offers premium performance and comfort, the Wildpeak delivers solid all-terrain capabilities at a better value. So in summary, if you are looking for a tyre with better dry braking, lower noise, and slightly longer tread life, the Dueler AT Revo 3 is the way to go. On the other hand, if you want better wet braking and a more budget-friendly option, the Wildpeak AT3W is a great alternative.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.